Hello everyone, this is Alarm System Tech with Systems in Action episode 17, featuring my Notifier NFS-640. So for the devices on the system, I have a system sensor P24-1575 horn strobe set on temporal low volume and 1575 candela. Then right next to that, I have a Notifier FSP751 smoke detector. Then I got my Notifier FCM1 control module. It's not really connected to anything right now, being that this isn't a speaker system currently. However, it's programmed just strapped out to keep the panel normal. And also the panel is normal because the AMG is not programmed currently. Then going down, I have my Notifier NVG12LX. As you can see, the devices are polling in flash scan mode. Flash scan mode is faster than clip mode, and it's basically only offered on the NFS series panels. It's a lot like Lightspeed, but it's a little bit different. So anyway, let's go ahead and activate the system. And also, you may have noticed I figured out how to disable the internal piezo on the NCA, so now the only thing that beeps is the 640 that's networked to this NCA. So let's go ahead and reset the pulse station, and we'll grab the magnet and test the Notifier FSP751. Alright, let's go ahead and do a reset. And we'll go over to our main menu, graphics screen. System is normal. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.